So for this one, we're going to do a 3-color braid. So first thing I'm gonna do is prep my hair, just like we did in the first video. So we're gonna take out that. Oops. And then let's get it untangled. There we go. And cut the top. So our main braid is a 1/4. So this is our main braid, is a 1/4 a braid of hair. Our side ones are all going to be roughly an 1/8. So if I was just doing one color, I'd divide, that's roughly half. So there's half. This would be if we were doing like a main color. Just going to tell you what, I know I'm going to have some left over, so I'm going to go ahead and get one of these. I know I'm not going to need this, so I'm going to go ahead and put it there. That's some extra. Divide this in half again. There we go. Now this amount would be if we were doing our main bubble braid, but we're not. We're doing a side. So I'm going to pull that through. There we go. So for a side, we don't want it to be as big as our main one, so we're going to go in half. Pull it. I'm just going to lay that on my leg for a minute. All right, now this is if we were just doing a single color side braid. We would use all of this, but we're not. We're going to do a 3-color braid. So I'm going to divide it in half one more time. So divide it in half. Going to lay that extra one down on my lap with that other piece, trying to line up those centers so that we can easily put them back together. So this is going to end up being a 1/3 of our 3-color braid. I'm going to go ahead and put it on right there, get it to where it's nice. I'm lining up those bottoms and even. Now, let's see. I'm going to go ahead, well, no. Okay, I'm just going to do one this right now. So I'm going to take these other 2 pieces that I had laying over on my lap. I know I'm not going to need the rest of this hair, but if I just leave it like this, it is going to get all kinds of tangled up and crazy. It kind of already is. So I'm going to take this hair that we don't need, make sure it's all the way pulled through. There we go. All right, this is the hair we don't need, and I'm going to re-braid it so that it doesn't get too crazy tangled, so the next time I need this color, it is ready just to pull again. So it's going to take a little bit more. That's why it's nice to go ahead and make all of them at the same time so that you don't have to do this over and over and over again. So I'm just going to do that. Then I'm going to go ahead and just prep with the other 2 colors the same way I did this one. So you divide in half and then in half, as if you have these 4, then you're going to divide in half and in half again.